Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the product key and signing in so activation ties to your Microsoft account. If you bought a digital copy, check the purchase email. If physical, find the 25-character key. Once signed in, open any Office app so the software can detect your account. This reduces errors because activation locks the license to your account rather than a machine. Make sure your internet is stable. Without it, the key can't validate online, so connect before proceeding. Next, you enter the product key and validate the license so Office becomes fully functional. Open Word or Excel and go to Account, then choose Change Product Key or Activate. Type the 25-character key carefully. Misreading characters causes rejection. Once entered, Office contacts Microsoft to validate. This links the key to your account and enables updates. If online validation fails, use the phone activation option or verify you're signed into the same Microsoft account used for purchase to avoid mismatched license. Finally, you confirm activation and finish by updating Office so features and security are current. Check account to see product activated or that your subscription appears. Once done, install updates and restart all Office apps. That ensures the license propagates across devices tied to your account. If something goes wrong, make sure the product key matches the exact Office edition you installed. Consumer keys won't activate Enterprise or older editions. If mismatch persists, use account recovery or contact support with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.